We are an integral part of the transport and industrial infrastructure of the country. Favorable geographic location makes us one of the most crucial tools of communication with the world economic community. We connect countries and continents. We are the seaports of Ukraine. Ukraine is located on the intersection of international transport corridors and has the most powerful port potential among all the Black and Azov Sea Basin countries. There are 13 open seaports on the coast of the Black and Azov Seas, with total capacity of 240 million tons of cargo per year. The USPA unites all of them. Ukrainian seaports are multifunctional and have unique transit opportunities and conditions for free trade. Their unique locations enable us to optimize logistics cost for transportation by sea, river, and rail routes. Due to dredging works provided by the USPA in Ukrainian harbors, today, seaports of Ukraine are capable to accept large-capacity fleets with a deadweight of up to 250,000 tons. According to the Global Competitiveness Index by the World Economic Forum, during the last year, we successfully managed to rise by 3 positions in the global rating of the quality of port infrastructure. And we continue active development of Ukrainian ports, implementing investment projects by dredging, reconstruction of berths and approach channels to increase the port's potential. Moreover, due to transparency of investments process, we made possible cooperation with international companies, which resulted in implementation of such high-scale infrastructure projects as construction of new grain reloading complexes, grain terminals, container terminals, vegetable oil and oilseeds production capacities on the territory of the ports. Nowadays, there are more than 100 port operators engaged in handling various cargoes in Ukrainian harbors, 44 multi-purpose terminals, 5 container terminals, 23 grain terminals, 4 liquefied gas terminals, 3 passenger terminals, 13 oil terminals. Today, the USPA partners in different projects are the Louis Dreyfus Company, Bunge, COFCO, Resoil SA, HHLA, Cargill and MV Cargo, and many others. But we do not stop there. We are planning to run over 40 investment projects in Ukrainian ports till 2038. We are open for investments and invite international companies for cooperation to implement joint projects in Ukrainian seaports. The USPA. Our ports, your opportunities.